Public health officials in the United States have moved quickly to contain the current outbreak. Dr. John Lanza, a health officer in Florida, has been working to contact every patient known to have received a fungus-tainted steroid injection, since they are still at risk of contracting meningitis.
Fungal meningitis is a very severe situation. That's why we're taking the extra efforts to try to find these people and warn them.
Besides alarming health officials, the outbreak has also highlighted the gaps in the regulation of so-called compounding pharmacies. These small businesses remix, customize, and package prescription drug ingredients for specific clients. David Miller is Executive Vice President of the International Academy of Compounding Pharmacists.
You might be allergic to part of the ingredients from the manufacturer. If you're an older patient and you don't have the liver and kidney function you had when you were younger, you may not metabolize drugs the same way. So we have to take stronger medicines and reduce their strength.
The remix might also be used to make a child's medication more palatable. Miller, who is a pharmacist by training, says there are many ways in which dangerous contaminants can accidentally be introduced while customizing a drug.
It can be the person, it can be the environment, and it can be the equipment that introduces a contaminant. So, for example, if I didn't wash my hands well enough, if I have skin exposure, if I have my hair exposed, in other words, am I bringing bacteria or contaminants in?
It is not yet known how the steroids produced at the Massachusetts pharmacy became contaminated with fungus. But state regulatory authorities question whether the company might have taken on too large a role as a national drug supplier. And many public health experts say federal regulators should oversee this and other compounding pharmacies. Dr. Patrick Lukule is with the United States Pharmacopoeia, a scientific group that sets standards for medicines in the U.S.
The best approach is really going to be protecting the market of every country where the regulatory authorities in those markets have the ultimate responsibility to have better oversight of those markets.
In the United States, as in other countries, compounding pharmacies often step in to fill gaps in critical drug supplies such as vaccines, and they are widely seen as an integral part of the pharmaceutical industry. All the more reason, many health experts say, for them to be more strictly regulated. Vidushi Sinha, VOA News, Washington.